My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Volkswagen Up. This car has done just over 66,000 miles and it has a manual transmission. We can access the boot using this button here. This car has Bluetooth as the feature, and with that we can access our saved devices. We also have telephone settings, app connection, media settings, radio settings, and system settings. This Up is fitted with Beats audio sound system, and despite being such a compact car, it is 5-door. So it's nice and accessible if you have more than one passenger. As we go into the back, we can see the leather trim seats. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.